Hi guys, and today, well, it's the Christmas update on side of Build a Boat. Yes, yes, that's right. And I think it came out maybe about 1 day. It's a bit late, but I don't really care. But still, and I really like this a lot actually. But that's not the whole point of this video. We're going to be doing everything I can to just enjoy this, and I already do. But I really like that they've added some Christmas houses all around everywhere. I love that so much. I love Christmas. But if I just... Wait, I forgot that I should pause and part. Look, the Christmas update. Yeah. The 3 new Christmas-themed stages and new Christmas-themed quest. I'll check that out as well. I won't do it because I'm rubbish at quests. 4 presents. 4 Christmas presents to collect. These presents transform into new blocks on January 4th. Yeah. So how to get these kind of is, well, you can buy them basically. Or you can get this cute little winter chestnut. I really enjoy it, so I really like it. I'm gonna buy one. You will get one. It's at least one Christmas present from each one. That obviously open up on the 4th of January. January. See, I got that one. It's pretty cool, actually. I'm just gonna carry on getting them. I shall never stop. But they do open on the 4th of January, so I'm excited. Very excited. I'm gonna buy a lot of these. You don't know how many I'll buy. Buy too many, I will. That's what I'll do. Too many. But it's pretty sick. I love this actually quite a lot. You get tons of stuff from it. It's pretty cool. I don't know. So look. If I go down quickly. I've got like 3 stars now. And I got some presents. Opens January the 4th. So you can get as many as you want, really. And they just open up on the January the 4th. So, if you don't mind me. Okay, guys, you might think I went a bit mad with the presents, but I really didn't. Don't look at my gold. I didn't get that many. Just wanna, because like, if I have this many of them, I'm gonna have a lot of that version. Oh, sweet. Look at these bad boys. Why is this 100? In your server? For a gift. You know, it's on my server. Everybody in my server. Go on, everybody. Have fun. Have fun, everybody. Christmas stuff. Oh, 2. I'm gonna go bankrupt because of this. Christmas, why? Bankrupted. Okay. But anyway, let's just check out these stages, man. Like, I'm happy to just check out the stages, bruh. Also, we shall check out the houses right now. There's no rockets coming out, but I don't care. This is the first one we're gonna look at. So I really like this lamppost, actually. I mean, look at this lamppost. Yeah. Oh, nice. There's 3 of them. And then the Christmas house. Oh, I love this. It's kind of like a gingerbread house. Gingerbread. Oh, you could glitch to see inside. Ooh. Ooh. Probably gonna be nothing, so don't mind me, guys. I'm just getting some don't make me. And so, guys, here's the next one. It's kind of a bit like the same, but it's pretty nice. I love it. I love it quite a lot. And wasn't there a boss last year? I think that was. Does it say that was? I don't know. So guys, yeah, I didn't go that in the same with these thumbs. Okay, guys, I didn't go that in the same. I mean, I have like 8 of these and 9 of these, so it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So, cakes, I like cakes. But I bet the video was nice stuffy cakes. Your face. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Like and subscribe if you want more stuff on Build a Boat for Treasure. Anyway, I'm going.